Hello, good morning. This is Teacher Francis Omai, and in our today's lesson, we're gonna focus on the second part of commercial arithmetic. And in this part, we are going to focus on commission. And we can start by asking ourselves what is commission. Now, if you talk of commission, if a person is employed by the employer, there is some amount that is given as an award. In other words, it is given on top of the basic salary. It's given as an award. Now, this award is given to some certain amount. It is some agreed amount. The employer agrees with the employee on the amount that they will be given, maybe on total sales above certain limit. There is a range that is that gives the limit to which this person is paid as commission. Now, we normally say that commission is equals to net pay subtract the basic salary. In other words, we can say that net pay is equals to basic salary plus commission, that agreed amount. We have an example here. A sales agent sells school bags at 500 shillings each. Is paid a basic salary of 17,600 Kenya shillings and a commission of 5% on goods worth shillings 100,000 and above. That means any amount that is less than 100,000, the person will be paid only the basic salary. But if the amount is greater than 100 shillings, the amount that is greater than 100,000 shillings is the one that is paid as commission. Now, part A says if she sells 360 bags in 1 month, what is her net pay? Now, she sells 360 bags, and each bag is 500. What amount does she sell? So you just take this one, multiply, and we see that she will sell 180,000. Now, the commission in this case will come out of amount that is more than 100,000 in this case, and in that case it means commission is coming from 180,000 subtract 100,000 to get 80,000. That means commission is equals to 5% of this amount, 5% of 80,000, 5% of that amount, and we're going to get it as shillings 4,000. Now, if that is the commission, what is the question says what is her net pay? The net pay will be the basic salary, which is 17,600 plus 4,000, which is going to give us 21,600 Kenya shillings. That is her net pay that month. Question B says if in another month she sold 400 bags, that means if she sells 400 bags and each bag is sold at 500 shillings, then the amount will be 200,000 shillings. Total earnings. Now, to get the total earnings, we have to go through the same method above. You can pause for a moment and try out this question. And in that case we're going to get the commission as the amount that is above 5% of the amount that is above 100,000. So we take this amount minus 100,000, we get 100,000, and that means in this case she is going to earn 50,000. 5,000, sorry, 5,000. You're going to get 5,000 as the commission, and we are told that the basic salary now increases by 2%, and if it increases by 2%, the initial amount was 100%. Increasing by 2%, it becomes 102% of 17,600. That means we're going to get the new amount as the new amount is 17,600 multiplied by 102/100. That means she is paid 17,952, and that means total earnings is equals to basic salary plus commission, and that amounts to 22,952 Kenya shillings. That is her total earning that month. The last part of it says in the month of April her monthly salary was retained. That means the monthly salary remained to be 17,952, but now she was paid total earnings of 3,000. So total earnings is now 30,000. That means her commission. Now the question asked what was her total sales. To get the total sales, we have to get through the commission first in order to get the total sales. Now the commission is supposed to be the total earnings minus the basic salary, which is 17,952, and in that case we have 30,000 it gives us 12,048. Now this amount is 5%. It is 5% of the amount, let's say X, and this X 048, and in this case X is amount greater than, it is the amount greater than 100,000. So that means to get X is the same as 12,048 multiplied by the reciprocal on both sides. That means we have 22,040,960. Now we are saying X is the amount greater than 100,000, and that means now total sales will be 240,960 plus 100,000, and this is going to give us 340,960 Kenya shillings. That is the amount that she sold that month, the total sales. You can pause for a moment and try out this example. The digits or the values in brackets are the answers for the exercise. Thank you for listening. Thank you for following. Remember to pause, subscribe, share, as we get many students educated through this channel. Thank you, Teacher Francis Wawero.